All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you're going to join me on that journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it. It's Friday, November 29th, last day of the last trading day of November. And wasn't the November I wanted it to be, but the last 5 days have been really great. So um, just try to finish strong and be patient and let the volume convince me to get in the trade. It's kind of been working out for me lately. I do have a dip buy idea on ACHR down to a previous day's high, down in the 850 area. But yeah, what's up, Wave Rider? So I got ACHR, which I don't know, definitely questionable after a second green day, but I mean, it's the highest volume gapper. I can't remember what the news on it was, actually. What's up, Kizzy Bop? Stock to form a rare positive pattern. Not really a, yeah, it's actually reached its price target at an 893. So I don't know. I don't know what's really going on with this, actually. And it's under 10 bucks. Really makes me not want to watch it. But I like sound also. I don't like that big red candle. What's up, Q? Man, the SPY is really dipping. Everything's dipping off the open, which is my favorite thing to see now. I love to see the weakness at the open. UMAC. Oh yeah, oh wow. Yeah, we were just talking about this mug. UMAC. Whoa. Mara just blew out that 1 minute candle. Oh yeah. Wow. Hmm. PRZO. Man, that's one thing I do like about small caps, man. Ain't nothing like buying something and then it halting up. Like the price is moving up so fast it stops. Like, yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Dang, it did end up bouncing there. That's exactly what I wanted to risk too. It ended up making a pattern of exactly what I wanted to risk. I wanted to risk previous day's high to pre-market low, but I just didn't see the volume. Although this is significantly bigger than that, but yeah, after that, man, SoFi was tempting right here too, but just didn't see the volume. Mara just went crazy. Yeah, I see that. Man, that's a big move up. Nice trade, Trey. Coin. Yo, check out this ACHR buy right here. I wanted to go a little tighter on my risk because I really don't want to play with this if it can't hold previous day's high. But I also keep stopping myself out of trades by not risking low of day, so I'm trying to stop doing that too. So I went ahead and risked low of day. Hey, what's up, Brian? I hope so, man. I hope so. I'm kind of salty about not taking SoFi right here. This was the volume that I wish I would have seen. I don't know, maybe on this candle. Then I think I would have jumped in. But it's all good. I'm happy with this trade here. Mara. Yeah, I've been watching Mara. I actually just swapped Mara out because it looked like it's out of play. I appreciate it, Brian. What'd you trade today? Yeah, Mara's going crazy. Man. Yo, UMAC is popping, man. I was watching it over here, but it just feels like a gamble. DEVS. You took it short or you traded pre-market? Anyway, let me pay attention over here, man. Let me pay attention. Dang, man, UMAC. I wish I could have got. If UMAC didn't make a new low a day, I would have been all over that entry. I would have been all over it. Oh wow. Pre-market first leg, man. That first leg was massive, bro. You long? Dang, that's cold, Q. That's cold. That's what's up. Yeah, if it throws a higher low, man, and the volume looks good, I might jump in there too. I honestly should have tried to add to this. Yeah, this first leg is freaking crazy. Nice work, man. Where my money counter at? Let's throw that up for Brian. Yeah. All right, but we looking good over here. Man, y'all, I don't even have a stop loss in. What's going on over here, man? What is going on? Yeah. Yeah. I wanted to be in the mix, man, but once it made a low of day, I just got kind of scared of it. And she's gone now. Man, I'm thinking about SoFi right here, y'all. Nah, I can't do it. Ugh, I like it though. Nah, you know what? Let's just let's just sell a little bit into this strength right here. How about that? How about that? We just focus on this winner over here instead of trying to jump into another trade. How about that? Thanks, Brian. I do still like SoFi over here, though. Man. Tuh. Let me get back over here, man. Man, I want to take UMAC too. That's definitely doing too much, though. Yeah, buddy. Dang it, man. I hate it when that happens. Well, shoot, ain't nothing to do with that yet. So the party's all over here. The party is all over here. Man, I should have went UMAC instead. It was much more exciting. Man, way to go on that one, Q. Dang, it's popping too. SoFi throwing some big volume. I hope the Bulls win. Let's go, Bulls. Come on, man. Turning this 15-minute candle green. Come on, man. Yeah, I have a screener, but I don't really pay attention. I don't have it set up to show me things once the market opens. I kind of want to just be dialed in on my pre-market research and stick with those. But you guys in the chat bring me things too that I often end up trading too. So I try to limit those mid-morning editions as much as possible. I end up jumping in things without doing, my due diligence just because of the moment. Dang, I don't know, man. AC8 SoFi looking I thought the buyers had came back over here for a moment, but dang, bro, look at ACHR. I ain't selling no more, yo. I ain't selling no more. Yeah, UMAC, bro. I tripped. I tripped. Bro, ACHR is killing it over there. Yeah, I'm in ACHR. I'm in ACHR at 867. Dang, UMAC got slapped. Yeah, man. Check out this. I still got 8 shares of ACHR. Yes, sir. Come on, you gonna make another high? Bruh, ACHR is killing it, right? Took another couple out right there. And SoFi over here, I snuck in an ad on this higher low at VWAP. Nice little narrow range candles. I'm saying, man, $10 sounds real nice to me. Nvidia, man, I haven't peeked at Nvidia today. Wow, that's nice, man. This is nice. Got two really nice opportunities to buy this bad boy. I'd have probably been scared of it though under yesterday's high. All this red volume. Man, it's running. You in there, Wave Rider? Yeah. I'm hoping for a something like a ATR day for SoFi. You know? Something like at least 17. At least 17. Yo, ACHR is like all gas, no brakes. That's what's up. There's some good uptrend volume right here, right? Hopefully. Lower high, but we could fix that here in a jiffy. We got to get over 1650, man. Just on GP, I want to sell. I want to sell 3 shares there. Just on GP, like I'm formulating good habits. Just on GP, I want to put a little red arrow right there. Look like this might be the end of its run. Do I hold for the pullback and hope for a second leg, or do I take the profits? Hey, there we go. I don't care if I only took 25 cents. I just wanted to put a red arrow right there. On GP. And I'm going break even on the stop. We'll go right up under this. See, man, my sell quarter is messed up. Bro, what happened to my hotkeys? Why are they throwing out bracket orders, yo? Come on, man. I need to sell more than that, huh? ACHR has done its ATR. Oh, you got on that NVIDIA, RJ? 1 out of 2? 1 for 2? That ain't bad, man. A single or what? What kind of R's we talking? I think ACHR gonna keep going, man. It's super strong. That's what's up, RJ. Man, look at the SPY, 601. Bruh, I'm tired of that. Quantum sector, crypto, and AI on the move. 1.5R. Where'd you get in PRZO at? Half out your long. Where'd you get in at, Ben? You trading the SPY now? $106. You just bought that off the tape? Come on, $10 ACHR. Come on, baby. It ain't no thing. I'm taking some off of SoFi at pre-market high over here. 634. Dang, that's what's up, man. Come on, baby. Fill this order. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah, I've been formulating some of those ideas too, Trey. I actually had it on ACHR, but it didn't go perfectly how I imagined it, so I didn't take it. But I wanted to dip buy. Remember I told you dip buy to 850 and I was going to risk pre-market low. This purple line is pre-market low. The yellow line is pre-market. It literally gave me a candle with that exact profile. Like the high was yesterday's high, and the low was pretty much pre-market low. Like I really could have gotten in right there, but I was scared, so I waited for the higher low. I should have had way more shares on this. Well, not necessarily. Yeah, way more shares if I got in lower with a tighter risk. But it's all good. I'm learning. SPY's going straight up. With Bitcoin too, BTC at 98. 98.3. That's crazy. Come on, SoFi. Yo, you know, I was feeling some FOMO about UMAC, thinking that I should have picked that over SoFi, but SoFi killing it over here. Come on, ACHR. We was so close to $10. So close. Come on, SoFi. You see that order right there? They're gonna fill everybody else's 1658 order with mine. There we go. All right. Still got a decent amount of shares. Hold on, why is my share size not updating? I didn't know it wasn't doing that. That's weird. Come on, man. That's retarded. I gotta change the hotkey formula if that's the case. If it'll work now. No. Okay, there we go. I guess it's whatever shares you got set in this box, which is kind of cool. Oh, now I get it. In the hotkey where it says price, it's taking what's in this box. And that's why when you double click it, it loads that. And that's what the price variable comes from. And the shares variable comes from this box. Okay. I don't like this candle right here. Starting to look like a trend change. Yeah, it's way up there. This was a nice pullback right here, though. It could keep going. It could happen. SoFi got slapped up at pre-market high. UMAC, new low of day after a new high of day. Interestingly enough. Nvidia still going? Yep, dang. Nvidia for the win. The SPY too. You still holding SPY, Ben? Just raise up your stop on like the 5-minute candles or something, bro. Oh, everything's pulling back. I wish I would have stayed dynamic and just kept selling on volume and took some out up here instead of, well, you know what? I already took out a lot of the positions, so it makes sense to hold a little bit. Dang, SoFi coming all the way back in. I feel like I ain't even really took profit on it yet. I don't want to stop out yet. That sucks. I should stop out if it comes back. I don't want to get stopped out on a higher low, though. It's a pretty nasty candle. Not really on that much volume, though. It's got a little volume. Let's see what happens. SPY to the moon. I'm saying. Don't you cut that winner off, Ben. No more. There's a. Hey man, don't be throwing that shade on my positions, bro. We still getting active over here. We still getting active over here, man. What you talking about? Look at this 5-minute chart over here, about to throw the fattest bottom and tail you ever seen. To the moon, Craig. $17. I'm not selling any more shares till 17. Same with ACHR. I'm not selling any more till 10. Man, you know, Ben, I really have I'm not gonna say I've completely gotten away from it, but I am taking a step every day away from our expectations. Like that's why I don't even look. I don't even look at my unrealized, you know. And I really don't even want to show realized, but I kind of want you guys to see something, you know, see some of the action. But which I mean is kind of puny right now, risking $5 a trade and taking profit on the way up, but building good habits. Um, but yeah, bro, like forget that. To me, the R's are to be counted during your journal session. And you go back and you look at all your trades for the week and you see what your average R value was with this setup. Like, okay, this setup averages, you know, 3R, and this setup averages 5R, and this setup only averages 1R, you know, and you see that after you trade because in the trade, I feel like you got to trade the chart, right? You got to take profit at the resistance levels, maybe the whole dollar amounts, or with the volume, you know, when you see big waves of volume come in as it approaches a level, that's when you sell, you know. Yeah, actually, you know what? I forgot who I was talking to, man. I guess I'm more talking out loud for myself because I know you a statistician over there, Ben, and you definitely got data behind everything you're thinking about. That's funny. It's cool. You know, this thing needs to take a breath. It was going pretty crazy. ACHR was going buck wild. ACHR was going buck wild. So it makes sense that it needs to chill for a minute. I just want to see SoFi at 17, man. Hmm. Nah, actually, you know, my SoFi trade, I'm cool with my sales. Cause I mean, my position average is only 1640, you know, and I'm expecting, you know, ATR on SoFi. Oh man, it's only 88 cents. Damn, I didn't realize that. I mean, I should still be able to get to 17, possibly. It's an all-time high breakout, yo. Like, come on, man. This thing could do twice its ATR. It could happen. But yeah, I mean, I'm only, you know, only went 20 cent in the money. So, and I still put some arrows where I felt like some arrows needed to go. You know, these are executions that are great. Got this one on this high volume candle, and then the high of this candle, and then the high through pre-market high. So I'm happy with those. I do wish I got some out on ACHR though. I was holding out for that $10 level, man, and it just didn't quite make it up there, yo. I told you not to get out of there. Oh yeah, that's true. I be forgetting to do that. My the map data's all kind of, let's see, data configuration range 5 years. Yeah. Oh, okay. There we go. I need to save that. All right. Nah, that's probably a really good point to sell at, Ben. That was quite a big move up Spy made. It ain't really ran into any volume though, but very nice move. Mouse on the left side of the chart. And double click. Didn't work. Wait. You probably got to enable that in settings or something. On the very edge. A skinny arrow will pop up. Oh, wait, I think I saw it. Ah. 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 Okay. I like that. Thank you, sir. Let's go. SoFi. Huh. Oh man, SoFi. That was a fake out. UMAC kind of looking interesting under VWAP over there. I'd really want to see some serious volume though, which I'm not seeing. I really want this thing to make a new high because then I will move my stop up and I won't move it back down. Man, what is this? What is this? See me sneak into UMAC over here. That 15-minute trigger now. Nail range green 15-minute candle. That's gold. That's golden. Mm. All right, Q, I got you. Gotta pay attention. I got in the UMAC at 10:28, 5 minutes ago. So if I finally find the bottom, I'm definitely ready to take this risk back off. I just really want to see SoFi over the pre-market high, man. I think this thing can make some moves today. Just at least to 17, man. All right. ACHR, I think we might have found the bottom there. Appreciate that, Arthur. Appreciate it. Hoping it works out, man. It would be a really sweet entry. I really like how it looks on the 5 and 15, which is perfect, a perfect chart to look at for this time of the day. So we shall see if we can hold VWAP here and make a move up. Be a pretty cool little day. Pretty cool. I think at the very least, if we get another high here, I'll move my stop up to just about break even. But we'll see how it goes here. Everything's feeling real sketchy right now. Like, are we going up or are we going down? It's like everything I'm in is at that fork in the road. Is this a reversal or are we continuing down? You know, it's getting hot up in here, man. It's getting hot up in here. Need some good green candles here. Probably feel the best about UMAC at this point, honestly. Although the daily's super sketch. Like this type of, I don't know what to expect out of this type of thing, man. I do not know. I do know, or I suspect, that if we can get over these highs, we might be able to see a pretty awesome squeeze. SoFi. I think I'm gonna have to cut SoFi off, break even, man. I don't know. I want to give it to this low, but I really don't at the same time. I still got a lot of shares. Well, we're talking 6 cent risk on 25 shares. What is that? $1.50. Yeah. So it's still break even to leave my stop right there. I'll leave it there. I'll leave it. See if maybe it wants to do a VWAP submarine. What's this low? 31. I don't think I want to go that low. We'll go 33. And we'll leave it there. And ACHR, man, starting to warm my heart over here. Come on, UMAC. Give me that higher high, man. This high is 13.99. We take 14, yo. Oh, snap. Check out SoFi over here. Low. Little double bottom at 16.4. With the volume and the narrow range joint. I think that trend line about to break. Got up to 95. Need that 14. ACHR back over 9.5. Man, SoFi back over 16.5 would make me very happy. Okay, UMAC over 14. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. What's up, Matty Matt? Yeah, man. It's going really well right now. 3 for 3 at the moment. I'm anxious to take this risk off. I think I'm getting ready to do that now. All right. Stop at break even on UMAC as we move through 14. SoFi, I'm really waiting for, I really want to see this make trade through 1650 before I go to break even. But I mean, honestly, if it breaks below 16.4 at this point, it's probably dead. Maybe. I don't know. I want to give it a shot. It still looks bullish. You know, the 5 and 15 look good. We just need to crack that 16.5. Man, UMAC to pre-market. I'm expecting a little more out of this though, so we're gonna wait. Hey, SoFi. Man, I was looking at Sound this morning. It was like I was going back and forth between Sound and SoFi, and I ended up going with SoFi. What did Sound do? Oh man. Sound had a good old day. Yeah, that's nice, man. You know what? My pre-market picks have been doing really well. Like I've really gotten better at finding those uptrending stocks on the day. Like all three of these joints is have given me good opportunities. And I played them well, man. This is crazy right now. The volume, it's I don't know, man. It's kind of different right now. It's like the volume is just it's been telling me this whole time, and I just hadn't been paying attention. And now I feel like I'm paying attention, and I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I dropped my risk back down to $5 on Thursday of last week. And it's been going well. It's been going well. All right, let's see here. SoFi running it up. All right, so we got no risk on SoFi. Definitely got no risk over here. Guess I'll put my stop right here, honestly. Can I put it? Will it let me? No. Okay. Yeah, so I'm break even on SoFi. I'm break even on UMAC already. And yeah, so there's no risk on the table. There's no risk on the table, but I have not taken any profits on UMAC yet. I'm waiting for at least 15. Yeah, I think that makes sense. I like high of day or even 15.5, but if we're talking probabilities, 15 would be a good spot for sure. But cross that road when we get there. I have stones. Hey man, the strength is strength, you know. Strength is strength. Well, stops at break even here, so you know if it doesn't go, I got a really good entry and was able to get my stop up. I just wasn't ready to take profit. That was $1 in the money though. Went up to 14.44. Yeah, that's almost $1 in the money. It's hard to tell because you at UMAC is like moving so much. Uh, just 49. I don't want to have it at 50. Come on. I probably should have taken some out at pre-market high, especially with these volume spikes coming in. Getting a little complacent here. Probably because I've gotten so relaxed. Because I've taken profit on these other positions. And I got my stop at break even already too. So I'm kind of hoping this thing runs a little bit more. It's not gonna hold 14, huh? SoFi coming back down to test 1650. That's reasonable. That's reasonable. Where you getting sound at, Arthur? Dang. Nice. Come on, Arthur. What's that average? All right, SoFi. Hey, what's up, Army? I appreciate it, man. How's it going over your way? New high of day on SoFi. stop in the money. Just waiting to see what this guy's going to do over here. Sure would like to see a bounce. Oh, yeah. It sure is looking strong, man. It is looking strong. I'm excited to see the market over 600, you know. Prosperity is in the air. Yeah. Come on, man. You can totally bounce off of this and go back over 14. You don't have to come down here and stop me out. You can go back up. Go higher. Go up. Go up. It's a half day today for real. That's hilarious. What's up, HH? Talk to him nice to get him to go my way. I totally was not aware that today was a half day. I forgot. I forgot they did that on Thanksgiving. What's that? What, they close at 1? Come on, SoFi. SoFi creeping up on a new high of day. 61 is high of day. You can do it. What else we got? UMAC, man. It's looking sketchy, man. It's looking sketchy. We got to get back over 14, man, or it's a wrap. 1 p.m. Eastern. I like the 5 over here. Low 67. Yeah, this 5 triggers. We get over 14 again. I'm going up to 66 with my stop loss. There's 14. What do we need? 1403. Oh, I'd love to see it close over 1403. That's 4 minutes from now. Look at SoFi over here teetering on the pre-market high. $14.08. Let's go, man. Let's go. We'll go 1364 on the stop. In the money. SoFi stops up as tight as I want it to be right now. ACHR. We'll get a new high over here. I'll move my stop up under here. We just gonna ride the wave, y'all. Riding the wave. Looking for 964 to break. What's going on with you today, HH? You do anything? You making any noise over there? Bruh, the 15 and 5 on. Look at the 5 on here. Tell me that's not looking saucy. Like, pew, pew. SoFi, though. I don't like this guy right here. Man, you almost can't even see VWAP on the chart on SPY, man. Way up there. Yo, you see that big green come in? That's what's up. That's a nice solid week there, sir. What up, Q? Aw, come on, SoFi. Man, I could just see this thing wicking me out and making me upset. But I don't want it to downtrend below 16.5 again. Like, how long would this take to play out if it comes all the way back down to VWAP? Oh yeah, UMAC is starting to roll over here, y'all. Oh my. SoFi is sucking big time right now. Well, meanwhile, the SPY just made a new high of day. Come on, SoFi, get your act together. Everybody going up but you. Just trying to manage these positions, man. That's all. That's like the most stressful thing now is just trying to make sure you did the right thing so you don't end up out of the trade and feeling like you messed up. I wish my hotkeys weren't jacked up. I should close my platform and reopen it. Yo, it's about to get buck wild on UMAC. That's why I ain't really been trying to sell any shares yet, because I think it could get pretty wild. Forget it, yo. I'm just gonna hold break even on SoFi. I don't care about that little 9 cent. UMAC new high, a new high. Ooh wee. UMAC in position for the squeeze, baby. Let's see what happens. I ain't selling nothing. I ain't selling a now nutter. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 It's halting, yo. It's halted. Oh, it was. It was sitting at limit up for a second. Shoot, got me a fill in up there, baby. Hold on, man. Where my Drake guy at, man? Hold up, bro. Yo, Trey. Where's he at? This was the one. Nah, you ain't never been bad luck, Ben. I've been sucking. I've been trading like a loser. And I don't know, man. I think something happened. VWAP submarine, baby. Yo, check it out. We halted up now or not? Look at it. No. Dang. Dang. We squeezing, y'all. We squeezing. Whoa, something's wrong. Why do I have my unrealized is negative 1105? What's going on? What? What's happening? Yo, what's up, GM? Bruh. It halted. I should have sold a share or something right there, but I'm trying to see where this thing could go. Dang, it don't even have a bid or ask or anything. Bro. Why my unrealized says negative 1147 though? I'm kind of tripping. What is this about? Is that because of the halt or something? Am I tripping? This got to be because of the halt. Y'all see this? It says I'm negative 1805. I got 5 shares at 1350. Yeah, that's got to be some kind of halt glitch or something, right? Definitely not used to that spread at time of the halt. Yeah, but I still don't understand why I would be negative 18. Okay. Okay. Ask is 1756. Okay, cool, cool. Yo. I think I'm about to cut this one, yo. It's looking kind of weak. Look like it's ran out of gas. I'll leave it there. I don't want to get in the habit of just exiting trades. Yo, this is crazy though. Don't have a heart attack. See, that's why I don't be trying to look at my realized, man. My unrealized have me kind of shook there. Man, Spy 602 PRZO. Yep. Same deal. You see the volume coming down, and then this little guy right there, and then you see the green volume start to pick up, and then this 2 candle, bruh, I would have got in right here. Right there. Stop under there. Oh, for real? Yeah, I'm definitely sold on the catalyst, bro. That's like I actually look for news now before I even pull the chart up. Like when I look at my gap up list, I put the ticker in my news feed thing before I put it in my chart. It's really helped me to prioritize things that have a reason to move, you know. I'm preaching. Got it from you, bro. News before the blues. Yo, this UMAC trade is bananas. Down here at 13.5 is up at 16.93. I can't even tell how much I got unrealized. I guess I can do a little math. Oh snap, we're back open. Just make sure I got my stop loss in. Something crazy happens. Yeah, I've seen that too, Ben. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. Man, so far you kind of whack, yo. I'm glad I sold up here through the break of pre-market again. I should have sold a lot more. I'm tripping. All the excitement's over here. Good Lord. Good Lord. What do I do? What do I do? Ah, man. I'm telling you, bro, it's crazy right now. I tried to get a share off up there by 18. Come on, pop up there one more again. Uh-oh. I'm gonna let this thing work, yo. I'm gonna let this thing work. I'm definitely gonna take off a couple more shares through 18 if we get there. But I mean, I'm not feeling pressed at all. Like I've already gotten some nice green on this trade. My break even is way down here at 1350. I'm chilling. Let's see where this thing goes. Let's see what happens. This is what we be waiting for, right? We be waiting for these parabolic movers. I'm not gonna sell. I took some profit, and now we about to see where this thing goes, yo. Yeah, no doubt, HH. That's why my gap list is organized by volume. Come on, baby. Let's do one more halt through 20. Oh, there, you think so? We had to go through the data on that. Is UMAC a small cap? It's got a billion. I thought it had like a billion. It's not even on my list over here, actually. Yeah, I got this from y'all. I think Q told me about UMAC. Actually, you know what? If this thing make a new high, I'm gonna just put my stop right here. We're gonna call it good. And we're gonna keep watching it. Welcome home. Nah, I was trying to get some shares off right here, Ben, but my hotkeys are broken for some reason. I don't know, some like halfway through the session, my hotkeys break and start, like if I hit this, it'll put out a bracket order. So I was trying to sell on this push. But if we break through again, I do want to take off a couple more shares, but I'm just chilling, you know? Yeah, I know you did, Q. Yeah, bro, you got a brain on you, Q. You got a brain on you, bro. I appreciate having you around, man. You've actually given me a lot of good tickers. I got a nice squad, man. Between you, HH, Trey, I got a nice squad, man. Ben, my statistician. I got to take more advantage of Ben. I've been trying to collect better data though, so that you can help me with it. My data collection previously has been pretty awful. ATR high is 1532. So I should just put my stop up here at 15, huh? Yeah, buddy. The second wave is for the patient. Let's go. Let's go. That's how I feel, bro. Man, these other two just playing with emotions, man. Just playing with emotions. Ooh la la la. It's not a real thing. Your secret is backtesting. Yo, SoFi is dead in the water. You know what? I'll do 39 just because it bounced off 40 twice. But aren't you backtesting technical analysis? Like I would say backtesting is a part of technical analysis. Maybe I'm tripping though. SoFi, SoFi. But you know what though? We got some good executions off on SoFi, right? Like we sold some at the highs for sure. I probably could have sold a few more right here. I didn't sell much. That's the problem. I think I started off with 33 shares. So I definitely could have sold more. I was really hoping for that move up to 17 though. So it'd be like that sometimes. That's why you just take profits, you know. It's moving more calmly now. Let's see how this plays out. Both of these lows was 1640. So I went ahead and put my stop as my average is 1640 also. So I just put my stop at 1639. You know, at the very least, it was a good exercise in taking profit where you're supposed to take profit. I should have taken a little more, but it was I'd only moved up 20 cents and I was expecting a lot more. So it's all good. Well, yeah, I thought it's understood that nothing works all of the time. It's all, you know, probabilities. Okay, 1640 trying to hold again. What's popping? $15.40 on the ATR. Well, at the bare minimum, I'm stopping out under 15. Oh, snap. Look at 1640 over here. I think there's just a lot other variables though than just the chart. Um, I think there's like a lot of sneaky variables that are in those patterns that really supercharge. I guess I'm sure you're including those types of things in too. Hmm. I don't know. So what do you do if it doesn't work? What is your approach at what is your approach then? Come on, man. I want to see 18 again so bad. It looks really good. Like you should just be able to play the lows. 16.27. Honestly, I should put my stop just below 16 and take that, you know. That's where I took profit here. Yeah, we get a new high today. I'm moving stop to 16. Come on, man. Squeeze them shorties out, man. Squeeze them out. Yo. Look at SoFi popping up again. This our day, man. This our day, y'all. I'm glad my P&L fixed itself. I got a lot of money on the table right now for $5 risk. Come on, trip them stops over 1750. Trip them stops. Yeah, run them stops. Run them stops, baby. Mm-hmm. Run them stops. Run them stops. Run them stops, yo. You still trying to figure that out? Come on, run them stops. New high of day on UMAC. 1814 high of day. Come on, baby. Just run some more of them stops. Yes, sir. Yo. Yo. Man, appreciate it. Now 1550. Well, I ain't letting it come back down that low. My stop is at 1621. Stop at 1698 now. Tapping 19, y'all. Parabolic. In here from 1350. We just broke 19, y'all. Hey. Oh man. 1930. I want that 20 spot, but I don't want my expectations to mess up my trade, you know? Like I want that 20 so bad at this point that, you know, I'm willing to give back stuff, and I don't want to, like, I really feel like putting my stop underneath 18 and just drawing my line in the sand. Going into circuit halts. I don't know. I thought it was. Yeah, I got to get this thing room to breathe, man. This is. Hmm. This thing over here been chilling. Oh, yeah, it's right here. I got 2045 on my side, HH. I see support and resistance every day, bro. Like when you see the price come to a level and bounce multiple times, you don't see that? Shoot, we got it right here. SoFi. 1640, man. 3 times, yo. That's why I put my stop at 1639, because it hit this thing twice and got bought up. and came down again and got bought up. So I would say 1640 is at least an intraday support level. It would have been nice to get some out here. Especially this high volume candle here. Getting that tunnel vision for that $20 level. Think we about to be out of this guy. Ain't talking about nothing. It works on. Oh la la la. Mm-hmm. All right, so we out of ACHR. Had some decent feels on that. I should have just. Nah, you know, I do wish I took some profit out up here. But good trade though. Good trade. This guy here is still on that BS. This is just like a waste of commissions, this whole trade right here. A waste of time and commissions. Wow, sound 950. I mean, trading like today, this is where I'll be feeling like, man, maybe I should watch like 5 or 6 different things. That would be way too much though. Like I'm already missing take profit opportunities by trading as much as I am now. So very tempted to just cut this mug. What time is it? 10:30. Yeah, I could cut this mug and go to the gym, have a nice little morning. Yeah, if it wants the whole 17, cool. If not, we up out of there, y'all. We caught a good run. Would have been nice to have a sale up in the 19s just for cool story, bro, but it's all good. uh, Ben said, I don't want technical analysis to not work. It just doesn't. uh, that's funny, bro. Um, I don't know, bro. I definitely think we got repeatable patterns, and I definitely think you can predict price because it tends to do the same things when it moves. And I think if you combine two or three variables, like I think one variable, like, yeah, if you're just looking at, one aspect of technical analysis, maybe that's 50%. But then you get into reading volume as well, and that adds it. And then you get into catalysts, and, it's a lot of things that go into making the decision to take the trade. It can't just be one thing, you know. Well, I mean, I don't need to predict it. I just play the price action. Big gap up in the morning, lots of volume. You know, that's all. I didn't. I wasn't. That was you that was thinking about the macro of Kodak and all of that. I just pulled up the chart and liked what I saw. You know, and I just played it. You know, that's all. So went ahead and got out of UMAC. Got 28 bucks. It's almost 6R on UMAC. And SoFi. Yeah, that's why I like having you here, Q. You give me another angle and approach, find some stuff with some that look really good on the macro, and then I find it and it looks good on the micro. It's a great pair to have, man. Yeah, I got to get better, man. There's room for improvement. I don't want to see big volume candles like this and not have a red arrow at the top of it. Like right here, like this was decent, but up here I definitely should have had another arrow up here instead of just being stubborn and holding for a specific target. Yeah, I like that a lot, Ben. That's like one of the main reasons that I moved to low of day risk because just the opportunities are so much better. Broke that low by 3 pennies. Yeah, I think I should have took out right here, but it's all good. Are we still in? We're still in SoFi. Okay, I'll tell you what. SoFi was such a pointless trade. Finally heating up. Oh, I don't want to see UMAC go and make new highs now. I don't want to see that mess. Yeah, I should have just moved my stop down to ATR low, huh? Or the ATR high. There's always going to be a shoulda, coulda, woulda. Not always. Sometimes it's like, damn, bro, you played that perfectly. All right, SoFi, this is the last chance, man. I'm riding up my stop tight on this move. Oh, for real? Oh yeah, it's time to go, man. Man, thanks, Q. I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that. Yo, got that mug way down here, y'all. uh, that feels great, man. That feels great. It's the volume, you guys. That's literally it, man. Just looking at the volume and the price and the level of where it's at. That's it. You can just see the green volume starting to bubble here, getting higher than the red volume, starting to uptrend a little bit here. Just little clues, man. Just little clues. And you got these nice narrow range candles. And you just put your stop under there and give it a shot, man. Shoot. Look at SoFi. Raggedy. Stopped out of SoFi. You mean how long it took me as far as how many days I've been trading these reversals and to finally catch like a parabolic runner? Q? Hmm. And they don't happen that well, they do kind of happen often. We see these a lot. There's usually like one a day. At least a few a week. But yeah, that's why it's important to just trade the chart, man, because you never know when this is gonna happen, and it doesn't happen very often, you know. Um, that's true, but it's close enough. It's close enough. And it's not necessarily the color, like rather it's bid volume or ask volume, but it's the candle that it came in on to me, you know? Like volume coming in on a bottoming wick, even if it's red, is if it's higher, it's a bigger amount of volume, like elevated level of volume compared to the last few candles, then that's still significant. Don't ruin the day. Appreciate it, Q. No, I'm done, man. I'm absolutely finished. I'm getting out of here. Hey, look at this, Ben. It came down exactly to 40 again. But this time I just moved my stop up to 41 because I didn't want to take any slippage if it did slip down. This is support, bro. It's getting weaker though. The bounces are getting lower and lower. So it'll probably break if it tests again. But yeah, man, these are just things that we see that, add to the level of predictability of a move. Or, where I should place my stop loss. Things like that. Like this felt kind of silly to get stopped out. Because I wanted to raise my stop a penny above the support. So if it came and tested support, I would get stopped out. That's kind of dumb. UMAC is going, yeah, let me get out of here, man. I'm going to go celebrate my victory at the gym and kill it. And man, you guys, I want to get excited. Like I want to be like, dude, you guys, I'm freaking these lower day reversals and reading the volume and getting like, yo, 3 for 3 today. 3 for 3 today. And look at these executions, man. 8 hour day. Oh snap. I didn't even think about that. What? Dang. But like look at this. Look how clean, yo. Clean. Come on now. What's going on here? There we go. Look at this entry, yo. I want to get to the point where I'm entering here, but like I be telling Trey, the confirmation is worth the extra 10 cent to me. Sometimes. I mean, the thing is, I called these levels out pre-market. Like Trey, remember when I was like, I wanted to dip buy at 850? Like this is what I wanted, and it even gave me a setup to support it where I could have put my stop under that candle. But I was just looking at the volume and I wasn't feeling encouraged until it bounced off this level on these two candles, and then the pullback was on less volume, and then this little guy here, yeah, it looked good bouncing off previous day's high. Love this entry, man. Love this entry. Selling through pre-market high, selling as big volumes coming in. Like, bruh, I'm really happy with the direction this thing is going in. And this right here, I was feeling super sketchy about this. But I think I did risk the low of day though. I did risk the low of day. I remember telling myself like, bruh, you didn't done this a lot last week, where you get into a trade and you don't risk low of day and you get stopped out and it goes up. So I'd risk low of day on the entry, and then on the retest to VWAP I added to move my stop up here. And it really should have given me more shares. I probably adding while I'm using that hotkey to add while I'm already in a position probably jacks it up or something. I think if I would have just manually calculated some shares, I would have gotten a lot more shares, because this from here to here is only like 10 cent risk. So I should have had like 50 shares instead of 33. And that would have made these take profits a lot better. But as far as just execution, man, I'm super happy with this. This is a kind of a sketchy play. I am glad I used lower day to get in, but I thought this was pretty good. I was going to get in here, but this wasn't that good. But once it retested and I saw this nice candle, I thought it was pretty nice. And yeah, man. Like I want to get really, the way I've been feeling this last week, I want to get excited, but I'm not. I've gotten excited before and crashed out, so I'm just gonna be patient and let the P&L tell me that I made it, right? Not just a couple days. So we'll see how December goes. It works when it works, but more often doesn't work. Hmm. I don't think it doesn't work most often, man. Like honestly, Ben, I feel like when I lock in, I really feel like I should have like a 65-70% winning percentage. I may be completely ignorant and ridiculous by thinking that, but just looking at the trades that I take and the things that go wrong, and I look and see why it went wrong, like it makes sense. Like I feel like most of the mistakes are avoidable. Like most of the losing trades, you can go back and find a reason for a lot of them. It's not just probability just didn't go your way that time, but that there was something you missed, you know? That's true. That's true. That RR is everything. But I gotta have 60% win rate, bro. I don't want a strategy with a 50 or a 40 or 30% win rate. It's just not. It's not for my personality. I need, I want to feel like a highly accurate sniper. I mean, I'm not gonna try to prove you wrong, Ben. I, I feel like I have something going for myself, and I feel like it's based on technical analysis and volume and price action, and I think it's going pretty well. So, uh, yeah, I just didn't have the patience to let this thing cook a little bit, but I felt like it was gonna go higher. I tried to hold out as long as I could. I wish I didn't sell at the low though. I wish I punked out a little bit sooner. $11.67. Yeah, I think you might have zoomed in too much, Ben. You've gone to the quantum level of data, and now nothing makes sense. You got to zoom back out just a little bit, man. Over there in the quantum realm. Look at SoFi. Raggedy. All right, though. I'm getting out of here, y'all. Hit that like button for me and subscribe. Y'all can continue this technical analysis convo in the Discord. Link is in the description. And man, I'm gonna have a great weekend, you guys. I can't believe I'm closing this Friday, 8R. I think I we just gonna see, man. We just gonna see. I'm fighting back excitement and feeling like I've figured something out for myself. But I'm gonna let the record show, man. I'm gonna let the record show. Um, this is not the record isn't showing yet. I just mean like over the next few weeks. But this is when I dropped back down to $5 risk on Thursday. So Thursday, 7 trades, which is a lot, ended up at less than 1R, 369. Friday, negative 213, which is a very well managed losing day. Monday minus 344, which is another well managed losing day. And then Tuesday plus 225. That was all right. 4 trades. I wonder what went on there. And then Wednesday, 13 trades, which is kind of wild, up 3R. And then today, 8R. Dang. This is a pretty good week for only 4 days. Yeah, this is a $50 week, man. That's gonna bring my let's check out this month. That's gonna bring my November back in pretty cool. At least it won't be negative 100. Yeah, this Monday crash out day was so sad. 3 days in a row of just like account devastation. I had to drop down to $5 after this 3 day 3-day devastation. But yeah, man, I'm super excited about December. I'm gonna keep the $5 risk, and I'm just gonna keep doing what we're doing. And if at the end of December, well, we'll see what happens at the end of December. I'm not gonna make any promises or anything, but let's just see what we can do for the month of December. Man. Anyway, man, thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Hit that like button and subscribe. Be safe out here, y'all. Peace.